Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around a stunning, approved used Audi TTS 2.0 TFSI Black Edition. It comes dressed in the gorgeous turbo blue, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 10,600 miles. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with the Audi Sport 10 Y-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot space, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash is the climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, as well as the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. To the centre of the car's dash you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can choose the preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB ports, keeping your devices charged up. And then we finish on the automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit with a handy cup holder for that morning coffee. If this is the car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.